remain to be like that, and whatever things, taste you will get from that, you will have to have it. That is what I would like to say. And I am very much impressed by two things of NITK. That is, one thing is motto. That is to transform youth to good human beings, technologists and specialist professionals. In their motto, the first thing that they say is human beings. Yes. Then technologists. Because most of us study engineering and we leave our engineering field and go elsewhere, as I have done. So for that reason, I tell you, we are engineers, we have to be professional engineers and we have to be specialists. In one of the institutes, I'll tell you, that principal was telling like this to the parents, coming to the college. That was the inauguration of the that academic year. That day he was talking to the parents and the students like this. Today, it was a residential college. Today you are giving me your children. After 4 years, I am going to give you your friends. You just imagine when you came to this college, you were children to your parents. Now you go back to your residences, your houses, your homes, you are friends to your parents. Do you agree with me? Thank you, man. And I'll tell you, I was not so good in so many things. I was not able to concentrate on mechanics. I was very poor in strength of materials. I was doing very badly in the electrical engineering lab. And I was very, very bad in talking to people, the most important people of this institute. You know them. I was very poor in electrical engineering lab as well as in talking to the people. So, I'll tell you, these KRAC friends or NITK friends you have made now, they will be with you throughout. After I became IPS, I'm trying to get such kind of friends. I'm sorry, I'm not able to get. Maybe they think that if I become a friend to him, something good may be derived from him. With that kind of intention, people may come to me and make friendship. But in NITK, the friends you made, without any prejudices. See, I'll tell you, a good friend is that fellow who knows you well. In spite of that, he is your friend. You understand? He knows you very badly. In spite of that, he is your friend. And the moment they come to know my weaknesses or my strengths or something like that, they may behave differently. But NITK friends, they will be your friends forever. This pledge, it's so important. I was SP Dharwad. At that time, I was the chairman of Karnataka State Police Children's School. There I started this pledge. Like the same kind of card is given to them and a silver ring is presented to them. And the school, the outgoing students, they are 10th standard students. They are also invited like this by giving them card. I'll tell you, these are some of the good traditions. Wherever you go, you please follow this. I'll tell you what I have done with this card. Why I am telling you, I need not talk much about anything because this card itself is more than sufficient. I put my favorite God's picture on behind. Here the pledge and this. What I feel like, I'll tell you, most of you might have seen a Tal movie. Yes. This is Anil Kapoor. His mother has told him some good things. And those things are on one page of the calendar. And what his mama has told, they are another page. When he has to meet a set of people who like values, then that fellow, he turns that page to the like advices given by his mother. When he wants to follow to be successful, like what he thinks success is, then he follows his mama's advices. I'll tell you, these advices which are there in this card, these Anil Kapoor's mother's advices, that kind of advices. I'll tell you, you follow these advices. Not your mamas or somebody who would advise late and they may misguide you. At the end of the day, see, a person who has given a good advice, he is responsible for that. And he wants your success. A person who has given misguidance, I'll tell you, he is not responsible for your acts and deeds. When you are in miserable position, your mama will not come to your help. You understand? Honesty, insincerity, hardly working. If you are like that, your brand name will carry only for the first job. You may get Infosys, Wipro or whichever job by your brand name first time. But if you want to change the job and go for the second job, not your brand name, not your college background, you are sweating a lot. I don't like you to sweat me anymore. All the best. And I am thankful to one and everybody who has called me here and gave me opportunity to talk to you. Thank you.
This day is a memorable day for most of you, I presume so, because in a few days' time you will be out of the campus, you will be graduating or taking post-graduation degree and so on. Whatever you are, the pledge that you have taken a few minutes ago, that is the guiding spirit. In testimony thereof, you have already been given a ring which will remind you about the values that you have to respect, its activities, and leave this institute to work itself. You participate, but make the institute to work by its own methods. We have the outgoing students or the alumni. They are in very enviable positions. They have made this institution a great by they becoming great. On this occasion, I pray Almighty to shower the best of Him on you, to make your future life wonderful, pleasant and peaceful. I wish you good luck in all your endeavors. Thank you very much, sir.
Dignitaries on the dais, my colleagues, friends, beautiful girls and smart boys. Function a memorable one. Before that, I want to say a few things. I love this function very much, Normally, I involve myself, my whole heart and physics to make this function great. See, today you are guest and all the staff members are the host. See, all the students won't get this opportunity. I think you have not felt that. You are the guest to us today. So we want to make your one day guest a memorable Shan se dine ka Shan se jane. I'll thank Mr. Nanjun Swami, who was my student also, for attending this function, agreeing and coming back all the way from Koppal to this place. Thank you very much on behalf of all of us. See, there are certain few things which people don't know. See, he was trying to tell everything out of heart, how he felt here, how he will feel, or you all will also feel. Now you may feel it, okay, kya IT hai, ye IT hai, something. But
what you will feel later is what he is feeling now, even after 10 years. Okay, he remembers that song, Chalte, Chalte, Mere Yeh Geet Yaad Rakhna, Jal Bidha Kehna, Jal Bidha Kehna. Okay. Complete it. Still, night is long. Garrison night is always long. You can keep listening. Zarur lauta aiye with more laurels and more awards. Thank you. Okay, so this is a privilege. I thank Mr. Nandan Swamy for coming here again. Thank you, sir. I thank our director, Professor H.V. Sudhakar Naik, for attending the function and giving few rigors, advices to the students. Thank you, sir. Telling his memories in KREC and of course NIT JNO. Thank you also, sir. And I'll thank one more dignitary on the dais, our student affairs, Professor V.R. Shastri, for arranging this function out. My thanks goes to all the HODs, all the staff members, all the colleagues, and special and yet another special thanks to our resident engineer and his team. I'll show you first. This was free. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Start.
If you are from RSC, this NIT means you should pass. It is just like that. In my batch, the guys who used to sit on my batch, in my bench, Mr. Lamba, his roll number is 36. That's 36. My roll number 37. He became Indian Service Officer. I became IPS officer. Another guy, my classmates, here is it. And another guy, HR Srivas. That guy, he became, he's in Bihar. His IRS fellow, he resigned. Geography and chronology. They are very easy subjects. Like you will from sir, you're interested in some linear.
Whatever the service is to be done
Yes,
to
sir.
students,
Yeah.
I will do.
Sir was other day mentioning that they would counsel for even civil services exam. They are doing something for GRE and CAT and all.
Any idea about
Civil services also.
here? You don't know that.
But it can.
Something has to be done.
Yes, sir.
Regular.
But
Taken by the father.
But no. I'll tell you one thing. You don't go and mingle with him. You just see the syllabus, old question paper. He is here only.
He's on room. Okay. He's not here.
But, okay. Then I'll tell you. Okay. Anyway, you are leaving, so you will not talk about him anywhere else outside.
Yeah.
So I'll tell you about his example. He wrote this exam for 10 years. Complete 10 years he wrote. First he
He went
took.
to interview. Got the
First he took some engineering subjects and something. Then he took physics and mathematics. Okay, guy writes this exam. It is for him. It is just like walking inside.
basic intelligence.
Very easy. No, I'll tell you one thing. It is much. See, I'll tell you. You meet me for just 1 hour or 2 hours. I'll talk to you. You will pass. Whoever has talked.